Hello, this is a demo for the AR application that we have developed. It is a proof of concept of an optical test bench where the user can place a laser, a target, and a maximum of 2 mirrors. As you can see, we can start with the laser marker, which allows us to move the laser ray by changing the position of the marker relative to the camera. Now we can introduce a target, which is a white sphere that turns green when the laser hits it. If we move the target away, we can introduce another mirror, which deflects the laser ray so we can reach the target again. Now, by moving the target even farther away, we can use a second mirror, which allows us to reach the target even in this position. You can see we can adjust the position of the mirrors to adjust the final direction of the laser ray. Lastly, we can use the top buttons to change the color of the laser ray and the tick box to change whether the laser is on or off.